In the previous video, we explored effects like graffiti, bubble, and aerobics, and talked about the types of designs they work best for. In this video, we're going to finish the series by looking at the final set of advanced text effects and when you should use them. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's start with the arcade effect. The arcade text style is inspired by classic video game typography, so it works best on dark or colorful backgrounds that match retro gaming visuals. Using bright and highly saturated colors helps recreate that classic arcade aesthetic. Because of this, the arcade effect is perfect for gaming graphics, retro-themed posters, and digital entertainment designs. It's also a great option for thumbnails, promotional visuals, and event graphics related to gaming. Next, we have the cosmic effect. The cosmic style focuses on a soft, glowing, and futuristic look, so it works best on dark or space-themed backgrounds where the glow can stand out clearly. Using cool colors like blue, purple, or white helps enhance the cosmic aesthetic. Because of this style, the cosmic effect works well for space-themed designs, tech visuals, and futuristic graphics. It's also a great option for posters, social media designs, and promotional materials. Finally, we have the pixel effect. The pixel text style is designed to mimic retro digital typography, similar to old-school video games and early computer graphics. Because of this, it works best with simple backgrounds and high contrast colors, so the pixel structure remains clear and readable. The pixel effect is perfect for gaming visuals, retro-themed graphics, and tech-related designs, and it also works well for posters, digital content, and social media graphics. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. Now that you've seen how each of these styles works and where they're best used, you should have a much better idea of how to choose the right text effect depending on the design you're creating. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.